in the teachings of the Buddha and the subsequent Buddhist teacher, remind us constantly, whatever you have collected, whatever you have bring together, sooner or later they are going to disperse. Like the autumn, during the autumn, the millions of leaves, which during the summertime, they are at the same tree. And when they fall down, and the wind will take away from all the directions. And that is the nature. There's, whether we like it or not, one way or another, what we have collected, including this cherished body, one day it will go. Because of impermanence, we come together. One day, we will go separate. I don't know, you or me. That's the reality. I lost my father last year. I lost one of my brothers a few years ago. Yes, emotionally hurtful, painful. But when I reflect on the nature, that is the fact, that is the reality. Of course, we should do all our best under this situation, not to lose our own cherished life, not to lose our loved ones' life, their possessions, all their things. After trying all our best, everything put together, still there is a chance it may happen.